So the question posed is, can a U.S. citizen file for her married daughter? And so the answer is yes, you can file, but there are some issues that come up typically when your children are over the age of 21 or they're married. And so, you know, typically for married kids now, you know, for children over the age of 21, there's no visa that's readily available. And so, you know, they enter into a quota system, and you can look that up under the current, you know, visa bulletin. You just Google visa bulletin and then the month that you're in, let's say, you know, September, October, whatever. And then that bulletin will tell you where's the current processing, okay? And unfortunately, you know, if you have a child over 21, it's going to take them, oh, I don't know, you know, 8-9 years to, I mean, we have to look at what's the current, you know, processing times, but so it's going to take them, you know, 8-9 years to come in because there's no visa that's readily available. But in addition to that, now you also have, you know, the spouse and the family, and so that tags a few more years to it, and so now you're looking at, you know, 10-12 years. And so again, yes, you can sponsor them, but no, you cannot get them as fast as you'd like to. And there might be other ways to do it, but you know, it depends on your set of facts, if you even can. And second, just, you know, call us or, you know, reach out to us, and, you know, we might see, but, you know, ways to help you. Thank you for watching.